before lunch.
Thank you for an inspiring talk. There's a lot of philosophers who would support what you've said. To mention a few: Gabriel Marcel, Merleau-Ponty, Boss and Binswanger, who are based on Heidegger. Bossy said regarding the border of the body, if there is one, that he said there isn't any. He said, when I'm looking at a star, I'm stretched out towards the star. And then I'm a physiotherapist. We work in neurorehabilitation a lot, and neuroscience need to provide tools for us, research tools for going outside in. And of course we also need the inside out, as Pulvermüller talked about yesterday. So I'm very happy to hear you talking like this. And all the science need to do practical things that we can apply it outside in.
Yeah, okay. I'm quite happy to agree with your comment.
Good. Well, then we can thank our speaker. And we'll start again in just under an hour, let's say 10 minutes to 1, and we'll go now together over to the Aula where we've had lunch the past 2 days as well.